With its straightforward design, the Frontier has always been a natural choice for anyone looking for a mid-sized truck. But now, with big novelties on the way, things are about to elevate to the next level. Stay with us and find out why you should wait for the 2026 Nissan Frontier. Number 6. Plug-in hybrid is coming. The biggest game changer for the 2026 Frontier is the introduction of plug-in hybrid technology that's going to leave competitors scrambling. Nissan recently unveiled the Frontier Pro plug-in hybrid at the Shanghai Auto Show, and the specifications are nothing short of impressive. This isn't just another mild hybrid system. We're talking about serious electrified performance. The new PHEV powertrain combines a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine with a transmission-mounted electric motor, delivering a combined output of 402 horsepower at a massive 590 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers put it ahead of most V6-powered trucks in the segment, while offering the fuel efficiency that traditional powertrains simply can't match. What makes this even more exciting is the electric-only range. The China spec model is targeting around 83 miles of EV-only driving based on new European driving cycle estimates. That means your daily commute could be completely electric, while still having the full capability of a traditional pickup for weekend adventures and work duties. The plug-in hybrid Frontier was co-developed with Chinese expertise, taking advantage of advanced battery technology and electric motor integration that puts Nissan ahead of the electrification curve. The truck is launching in China first, which makes perfect sense given the market's appetite for electrified vehicles. But here's what truck buyers in North America need to know. Nissan has already confirmed plans for global export of this PHEV technology. The US version is expected to arrive as early as next year, meaning 2026 buyers are going to get access to this revolutionary powertrain option. While other manufacturers are still figuring out how to electrify their pickup trucks without compromising capability, Nissan is already delivering a solution that enhances both performance and efficiency. Number 5. Class-leading configurability. Here's something that's becoming increasingly rare in today's pickup truck market: actual choice in how you configure your truck. While competitors are streamlining their lineups and eliminating options, the Frontier is going in the opposite direction with unprecedented configurability. Most mid-sized trucks today force you into a crew cab with a short bed configuration, basically turning every pickup into a family hauler first and a work truck second. The Frontier breaks this mold by offering genuine variety that respects different buyer needs. You can get king cab models with the longer 6-foot 1-inch bed, perfect for those who prioritize cargo space over passenger room. But the configurability doesn't stop there. The 2026 Frontier is expanding options even further, with crew cab models now available with the long bed configuration across more trim levels. This means you can have the passenger space of a crew cab while still getting the cargo capacity that makes a pickup truck actually useful for work. This level of choice is becoming a luxury in the segment. Look at competitors like the Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon. They're essentially locked into crew cab short bed configurations. Even the Ford Ranger has limited bed length options. The Frontier's approach recognizes that not every truck buyer has the same needs, and that's refreshing in a market that's becoming increasingly homogenized. Number 4. Smooth V6 performance. While the industry rushes toward turbocharged four-cylinder engines, Nissan is sticking with something that actually works: a proven V6 that delivers the kind of performance truck buyers expect. The 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6 in the current Frontier produces 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. The 2026 model is set to refine this formula even further. What makes this V6 special isn't just the power output, it's the way it delivers that power. Unlike turbocharged engines that can feel laggy at low RPMs or peaky in their power delivery, the Frontier's V6 provides smooth, predictable acceleration that makes it genuinely pleasant to drive daily. There's no turbo lag to deal with, no complicated intercooling systems to maintain, and no concerns about long-term durability that often plague forced induction setups. The 2026 model is expected to bring further refinements to this powertrain with improved fuel economy and even smoother operation. Nissan's engineers are focusing on optimizing the 9-speed automatic transmission programming to work even better with the V6's characteristics. This means better shift quality, improved towing performance, and enhanced overall drivability. For truck buyers who actually use their vehicles for work, this naturally aspirated approach makes perfect sense. There are no complex turbocharger systems to worry about when towing heavy loads in hot weather. No intercoolers to get clogged with debris on job sites. Just straightforward, reliable V6 power that starts every morning and delivers consistent performance regardless of conditions. While competitors are dealing with the growing pains of downsized turbocharged engines, the Frontier's V6 represents mature, proven technology that's been refined over years of real-world use. That reliability and simplicity is exactly what truck buyers need, and it's a major reason why waiting for the 2026 refinements makes sense. Number 3. Solid off-road credentials. The Frontier is maintaining its reputation as a genuinely capable off-road performer without forcing buyers to choose between capability and practicality. Unlike some competitors that reserve their best off-road features for expensive specialty trims, the Frontier delivers solid trail-ready performance across its lineup. Every Frontier comes with respectable ground clearance and approach angles that actually work in real-world conditions. The Pro 4X trim takes things further with Bilstein off-road shock absorbers, all-terrain tires, and comprehensive skid plate protection. But here's what sets the Frontier apart. These off-road upgrades don't come at the expense of other capabilities. Many competitors force you to make compromises when you choose their off-road variants. Specialized off-road trims often have reduced towing capacity, harsher ride quality, or significantly higher prices. The Frontier's approach is different. It maintains its towing capability and overall utility regardless of which trim level you choose. What truck buyers really appreciate about the Frontier's off-road capability is its honesty. There are no gimmicky features or over-the-top styling cues, just proven four-wheel drive technology, proper underbody protection, and suspension tuning that works whether you're navigating a construction site or exploring weekend trails. Number 2. Strong towing capacity. Here's where the Frontier really shines, delivering serious towing capability without making you pay extra for packages or upgrades that should be standard. The current model can handle up to 7,150 pounds, but what makes the Frontier's towing story compelling isn't just the raw numbers, it's the accessibility of that capability. You don't need to step up to the most expensive trim levels or add costly towing packages to get legitimate hauling capacity. Even base-level Frontiers come properly equipped for real-world towing duties. The truck comes standard with trailer sway control, proper cooling systems, and appropriate gearing ratios. Many competitors force you to add expensive packages to get these essential towing features, but Nissan includes them as part of the Frontier's fundamental capability. This approach recognizes that towing isn't a luxury feature, it's a basic truck requirement. The 2026 model is going to take this accessibility even further. The plug-in hybrid powertrain's instant electric torque is going to make towing feel even more effortless, especially in stop-and-go situations or when launching from steep boat ramps. Electric motors deliver maximum torque from 0 RPM, which is exactly what you want when pulling heavy trailers. Number 1. Honest design, honest price. In a market obsessed with flashy styling and premium positioning, the Frontier stands out by focusing on what actually matters: honest capability at an honest price. The 2026 model is going to continue this philosophy while adding genuinely useful technology and features. The Frontier's design approach is refreshingly straightforward. There are no fake vents, unnecessary chrome accents, or styling elements that serve no functional purpose. Every design element has a job to do, whether it's improving aerodynamics, enhancing capability, or making the truck easier to live with daily. This honest approach extends to the interior, where you'll find real controls for real functions instead of touch screens that complicate simple tasks. What makes this design philosophy even more appealing is how it translates to pricing. The Frontier starts at around $32,000, which represents genuine value in a segment where competitors are pushing toward luxury car pricing. You're not paying for styling gimmicks or marketing hype. You're getting proven truck capability at a price that makes sense. The 2026 model is about to maintain this value proposition while adding the hybrid technology and enhanced features that buyers actually want. Nissan understands that truck buyers are practical people who need vehicles that work hard and last long. The pricing strategy reflects this understanding, making the Frontier accessible to buyers who need truck capability without luxury car payments. This honest approach creates a compelling alternative to competitors that seem more focused on profit margins than customer value. While other manufacturers are adding expensive features that most buyers don't need, the Frontier concentrates on delivering the core capabilities that make pickup trucks useful in the first place. The combination of proven reliability, practical capability, and fair pricing makes the 2026 Frontier exactly what the midsize truck market needs. In a segment that's becoming increasingly complicated and expensive, Nissan is offering something beautifully simple: a truck that works hard, costs fairly, and delivers exactly what it promises. The Frontier's design approach is certainly a winning formula, but what about newcomers that are bringing a completely new philosophy to the market? Check out this video about the upcoming Toyota Stout, which you can now see on the screen. Toyota is about to revolutionize the compact truck segment and make the Maverick irrelevant.